Cebu Safari. Nanglaag ni. Kay birthday man ganyan ko.
Dali, uy. Dali, uy. Dara, oh. Dara pa, oh. Kuha ni Bi.
Baka, mana, di nakabaw. Baka.
Ay, kahon nga laya. Pero ako nasud. Ay.
Donkey.
Kukuruk. Narabi ay.
Basi nangago sa buslot. Unahan na yung mga global TV.
Start na tataon.
How Amigo can clean up his mess. First, he picks up. Okay, buddy. Try it again. He picks up a crumpled paper. Open the bottom of a pen and he drop it inside. Second one, a paper cup. Open the bottom of a pen and he drop it inside. Good bird. Now for the next one, he picks up a plastic bottle. Open the non-biodegradable bin and he drop it inside. Last one, buddy. Last one. Okay, now he walks all the way. Open the bin and he drop it inside. The same goes. Cleanliness is next to.
Tabaga mo si Gregate.
That's right.
Wala din.
Godliness. Here's our green wing Makoni, Jumbo. So hi, Jumbo. Good morning, buddy. Can you wave to the crowd like this? Hi, welcome to Cebu Safari. Now, full tail. Can you turn around, buddy? That's one, two, last one. Good bird. Now, see wings. Last basket. Now, let's see how Jumbo will get his snap. So, Jumbo carefully lifts up the plastic basket and got his snap. Good job, buddy. Safari. Now, let's see again it is a map. Jumbo, what is 9 plus 8? First number, he picks up a number 1. Next number, buddy, he picks up a number 7. Now, 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. Is it correct? So, a round of applause to our green wing Makoni, Jumbo. Adult volunteer. Now, Sancunyors are also known as Sanparacats. They are very playful, social, and have a very loud voice. Yeah, now Rio here is a male eclectic pirate. Now let's see what he will do. Now apply the first hoop and he made it all the way to the second hoop. Now their favorite food in the wild, they mainly eat fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Now buddy, can we do it again? One more time. He applied to the first hoop and he made it to the second one. Their life rooster first.
We have a cat.
Now for the third one, it is Rudy's favorite. No, Rudy. Now for the next one is a telephone ringing. Now for the last one is a whistle. Good job, buddies. Alright, now let's do the warm-up. Now for the first song. Whoa, yes. I love you more than I can. Whoa, yes. I love you more than I can. Now before we proceed to our next song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or within this month? Raise your hand. Okay, now happy birthday. Now buddies, we have some celebrants here. What will you do next? Last one. Now see how talented pirates are. They can mimic sound so well. Instead, they hop between branches and flap their wings vigorously to reach their destination. Now, Tugitucans, they have a large and beautiful bill that looks heavy, but in reality, it is extremely light. It is wildlife conservation. Now, we work hard to protect endangered species, provide them with safer habitats, and educate guests about the importance of preserving nature. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife and for a better future generation. Peace, prosperity, and harmony. Now, once again, my name is Dustin. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the walk. Now, for those who want to take pictures of our photograph birds, kindly form a line here at the center. We have your official photographers, W2. And for those who haven't been to White Lion Safari, common area birds of the world in African savanna, just go up and turn to your left side, proceed to Arapaho Town area. Once again, thank you so much everyone and enjoy the rest of the walk.
Fun. Ringtail lemur.
Magbakun. Magbakun.
Happy ka? Aray.
Dito ba ito sa trabaho na
fish. Try fish.
Fish.
Narari ang fish niya. Wow.
Camel. That's camel. Camel. Slang camel. Camel.
Okay, ready your phone to capture those memorable photographs and keep it on the left side of Instagram to take pictures. Okay, now sir, pwede na po kayo without water. Balance up to here by getting moisture from the plastic. Okay, are you done taking pictures? Their body is their control to cover the phone for waterproofing and attractiveness. They already get everyone the stickier they become. Cases and balls can be 400 to 1,000 kilograms. This is healthy milk. Can produce millimeters of milk a day and morning tissues to that powder. And the multi-bees will do unusual dance moves to attract females during their mating season. Tayo para fastest runner and incredible jumper sa savannah. They can run 90 kilometers per hour and jump inside the covered. Again,
Puti.
Lalay, oy. Sila. Silalay na, be. Ag ilusot imuhan sa. Ah, sige. Ilut ni. Ha? Maunsa ni?
Mamang sikut.
Umang. Umang.
Aw-aw gani na.
Pero ay nagnangay.
Ay, patay.
Scary.
Patay.
Luri-luri. Og kani, bombardino krokodilo. Kana di ay. Walay tiyan.
Iyang anak. Ni Baba.
Puro lagi mo magkikilid, miss.
Pamaw ni anak. Mau ng papa ma. Ng mama.
May kabiyon daw papa mi. Umabang forma.
Ngayon na na.
Lagi ko. Balik ka na.
Ato tayo, malawas ta. Wagi rawan ta nila.
Taligsik, taligsik. Kamao. Oh. Tawagan ninyo. Para kang oranggutan. Kani English ni nga baboy.
Ano, mama?
Oh, dili na sila ka maumulakaw. Bagunsa din ang kangaroos. Mo?
Layat-layat.
So dito mga itong nakitaan, kinaglakaw man to. Lagi, gainan ta to ni maglayat para mo layat. Dapat makita sa ang buslot sa tiyan.
Tingil ba? Tingil.
Sunod na ng bibi.
Ya, bibi man ang kanggaro.
Ano na, bibi?
Oh, kung ati. Kung ati.
Mama, mana.
Gamay, may kay na. Awan niya. Small, ana, oh.
Dako, ana.
Small, ana, oh. Small, ana. Mga mong...
Bye-bye, si mo sa pari. Mulit na